Photo mode. I hit 2 at Fort Ord Natural Reserve. Little whiteboard here for the week. We'll be doing some mammals with Joe Miller. Let's go and do it. Let's do it.
Vlog.
Hello.
What's up,
Dave.
Oh, I know.
Alright, Joe showing us how to trap mammals. Yeah, let's see the trap. Let's see the trap.
So that means we have 5 more. What's up? King of the traps. We could have caught, 50% of our traps. Why? Could be weather. Take that tissue and put it in ethanol. Mola scales, these little spring scales. Breeding condition.
I can tell from here.
Yeah, he wants to reach around and bite me a little bit. So scruff him a little bit. It's bicolored.
Be the best answer.
I don't believe anymore.
We left the box.
That's why we're not only supposed to touch it.
Oh my god, look at that. It's like a
Oh yeah. Wow.
It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Oh, feisty fella. Go back to mom. There he is. Where's mom? This guy thinks he's getting a little dinner. Are we on film right now? What's going on? And way off in the distance is a white thing, or where our camp is at. In here. We'll be in there. Alright. Nice. Gotta love the poppy flowers. You can already see some strawberries on here. Look at all the strawberries. Alright, it's April 23rd right now. I had to come back out to collect more data because I forgot to, I guess, collect data at certain points that I had marked on the map. So coming back again, and this is our data sheet right here. We got the latrine ID, total scat, number of piles, coyote, bobcat, and gray fox. And the latrine is just basically where coyotes, canids, and felids choose to go to the bathroom. So this is a good example because we got pile scat right there that is clearly different from this pile. So those are from 2 different instances, and then there's a third pile right here. So this isn't just a coincidence. So when we're just defining it as 3 scat within 10 meters of each other. And there's also a 4th one back here. So I'm just marking down with my notebook how many individual scat we have, how many piles we have, and then how many of those piles are coyote, bobcat, or gray fox. There's a lot of coyote, but in this specific corridor right here, this aisle is almost all bobcat, which is really interesting because on the trail cams that we set up the other day, we were looking at the footage and we saw bobcat. We saw bobcats, like plural. So yeah, there's definitely bobcats on reserve, and it's cool to see that confirmed and not just kind of guess based off of my knowledge of scat ID from a few pages of reading in the book. But all right, cool. Scat squad, solo scatter. Here we are. Peace.
Let's stuff this.
And then I also clean.
What? No.
Stick.
Do we have a
No,
marshmallow?
you get your own.
Smoked. 2 that's about as tall as we are, maybe a little taller.
a fish right there. There's a crab right there. Yeah. Incoming. Las Vegas. Eiffel Tower. Oh, yeah.